I know he's bad for me. He just wants my like he's
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited about today's video where I get to declutter this extremely messy garage. So I started by removing the lawn chairs that were in here, which I needed to be able to do my back deck. If you've seen my last video, I worked on that. So that was this first day where I removed these chairs. And I gotta say, this whole mess right here is a bit overwhelming, but I think I can get through it. I hope I can get through it. We shall see. So I hope you stick around and watch how this garage gets transformed. And I hope that I can give you some motivation to tackle not just the garage in your house, but any area in your life that requires a bit of care, a little bit of decluttering, a little bit of tidying and cleaning up. My philosophy is one corner at a time. So it doesn't all need to get done in one day, but slowly but surely it will get done eventually if you just start one little area or corner at a time.
he want my juice like a, he does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a, he does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. Pull myself together to not give myself the pressure. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do.
So this is what I have gotten through so far. As you can see, it's a lot has come out already. What's left here is there's a lot of trash, so all these things down here are going in the garbage, and we won't be taking out the trash stuff until tomorrow because our garbage day where trash gets picked up is the following day. So tomorrow night we will take these all out. But this is what we are left with, and my plan is right now, just one more thing for today is to move all of the things that are back in that against those walls there. I want to move them out of the way because these are things that we are going to be going through and either getting rid of or cleaning or donating. So this is really the only corner I have left. Then this stuff right here are stuff that I brought from home. Like, let me go closer. Right here, this is stuff that I brought from inside that we're keeping. So I want to be able to put them against the wall there because we want the garage to be nice and neat. So everything else really should be gone. Like this stuff here, the bins and the coolers will remain, but the little dresser will get rid of, and then everything else we need to go through. Half of the stuff here is trash, except for the rug, and then there's stuff I put on the side that I'll be bringing back in. So I'm going to show you where we're at once we finish this for today, and then we'll continue again tomorrow.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances.
I feel like every decluttering project has a period that's like the calm before the storm, but it's like in reverse, the storm before the calm. So I feel like this is my calm, this is my storm before the calm. There's a lot of stuff in the front of the garage, but this is typically what happens right before it gets nicely and neatly organized and decluttered. So this is all the stuff that we are left to go through, put back, or throw out, or donate. So I'm going to now clean the space that I've just cleared, and then I'll move over these things right here, which are the things I brought newly from inside. I'm gonna have them nicely, neatly organized. These are things that we have gone through and that we like and want to keep for now.
The things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it.
So my second corner there is all nice and clean. So what I'm doing here is putting back things that we are keeping, but I'm also decluttering them and trying to get them organized at the same time. So you'll see me sort of multitasking here, where I'm emptying the bins or putting things in bins, and bringing them back to that second corner there. Because this garage is so full, there's so much stuff, I just didn't want to put everything out. Again, you know, it is not the Marie Kondo style of doing things, but this is what works for me. It just helps with my mental state to not have everything all piled up for me outside, where then I can bring them in slowly, because I feel like that just gives me a lot of anxiety. So this is what works for me, and if this works for you, then I think you should do it. It's nice. It's like kind of progressing slowly, but I get to see changes as I go, as opposed to seeing all of the changes at the end. So
even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try.
So it took me 2 long days to get through this garage decluttering and cleaning. So on this day, the second day, I basically had the front part of the garage to tackle. Everything in the back had been taken care of. So I'm just gonna bring everything out in the front here, clean it up, and then put the things I need back, and whatever I don't need, I'll get rid of.
We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried, if we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. I believe. Even if I try and try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try so hard, tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
I just wanted to quickly mention for anyone wondering what I did with all of the stuff that are in here. Well, a lot of stuff I put like on Facebook Marketplace and sold. I also donated a whole bunch of stuff. So we've been driving out and dropping them off at donation centers. And then there are still a few that we are keeping. So in case you're wondering, we also have garbage day for us the following day from today. And so we basically put things outside in the evening so that they're ready for garbage collection in the morning. So you can see, and a lot of times, even like furniture pieces and things like that will get picked up during our trash pickup days. So this is all the stuff that we put out here. Yeah, so that's where everything went, in case you're wondering. But otherwise, that's it for this video. It was a huge undertaking for me. I have some cuts and bruises and blisters to prove that this job was done by me. I wish I could show you guys, but this was a lot of effort, but I am glad that it's done. It feels so good in here. So let me show you what this place looked like before, and I'll show you what it looks like now.
'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer.
Guys, I'm so proud of how everything has turned out in this garage. It now finally looks like a garage, right? I hope that I've motivated you to tackle any clutter or mess in your life. This was a huge undertaking, but I'm glad that I did it. And it doesn't matter how long it takes you, as long as you start at it and tackle each corner at a time, one corner at a time, eventually you get there. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time, I hope. Bye.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge?